And Ali from Palau, and my name is Otop. And I'm in the canoe sport, and I'm the assistant coach and also athlete for the sport.
My name is Chesley Laisang Baye. Play for the weightlifting, and I just started in March, but I used to play. So.
Hi, my name is Ignacio Vlaluc. I'm a sprinter. I do the 100 meters and 200 meters. And my message, good luck Team Palau.
Mila Redden from Team Palau, other Omius. And what coach always tells us is you're not dying, you're just running out of breath. So, hindi ka bola ka tilim, kutadlir ka malmon, so continue.
Hi, my name is Lisa Lulur and I'm a swimmer.
Ali, my name is Sydney Francisco. I'm a sprinter. I run the 100 meters, the 200 meters, and the 400 meters.
So my name is Travis Sakurai. I'm a swimmer and I'm excited to go to Pacific Games.
Eviloy Sakli from Team Palau Canoe.
Hello everyone, my name is Musatigo Lelas and I play beach volleyball.
Ali, my name is Derek Patrice. I'm a weightlifter. My message is train hard, no excuses.
Hello, my name is Alonso Sohor and I'm here on behalf of Palau Judo Federation.
Hi, my name is Galia. I'm going to be swimming at Pacific Games.
Francis Gale, assistant coach athletics. Good luck Team Palau.
LAT team for Team Palau Canoe.
Hi, my name is Kristen Suyama. My sport is beach volleyball.
Hello, my name is Cyrus Sally. I'm a weightlifter, but I like hanging out with our paddlers, or our whole team.
Hi, my name is Jimmy Jonas. I'm the coach for swimming. I'm taking a couple of swimmers to Pacific Games, and we're excited to go out there and do our best.
Hello, my name is Claire Quintaki, and I'm playing for weightlifting.
Ali, my name is Benedict Quintaro, and my sport is weightlifting. Talk to me, big boy!
Let's go Team Palau. Yes. Let's go Palau.
Go Team Palau.
I'm excited.
Have a nice day.